In this video, I will give you my review about Epidemic Sound. To do so, I will use an extract of this video in which I present all the services that I have used. And it starts just right now. The first paid services that I want to present to you is Epidemic Sound. This one is very affordable. As of the recording date of this video, we are speaking of $15 a month or $144 a year, which come to $12 a month. The music library is well diversified and there is something for everyone. The site is very well done. There is the recommendation section, depending on what you have recently used, and the team's suggestions on the new songs that are added regularly to the platform. There is really endless kind of music. You will also ending up finding artists that you like and have their own style. Or I also love the similar music option if you need more than one track for the same project but want to build something cohesive. Moreover, each track is separate into 4 layers. That gives you the opportunity to remove an instrument that bothers you while you're editing. If you want, for example, to remove the voice or lower the volume of the saxophone, which stills the show a little more at the wrong time, it's possible. And it's the only music service that I know that would allow you to do that. You can listen their music for free by following my link in the description if you want to get an idea of what's available. It's also the only music service that I know that own everything on its platform. The other services that I will present you later on this video are kind of agencies that going to sign contract with artists and record companies to redistribute rights. But for Epidemic Sound, they have their own team of artists that create all the songs in their catalog. The advantage about this is that you will never have to argue with an agencies that you don't know that claim rights on your video, and you will have to say, hey, no, I have bought this right from a third-party company and I have rights about this. So yeah, that will let you avoid that kind of situation. Because if there is something that will claim right, it will be Epidemic Sound. So you will just have to say, hey, I paid you for this. Okay, now that I've told you everything that is good about this platform, let's move to the negative side. I have used Epidemic Sound for over a year, and I would probably never have moved from them if I only had one YouTube channel. The personal license, which is $15 a month or $144 a year, only allow you to post videos with their music on one YouTube account and one Facebook account and one Instagram account and one Twitch account and one podcast. I will speak only for YouTube because this is the platform on which I publish my videos. But on YouTube, there is a system that automatically checks if there is music that belongs to someone in every video you upload. When the system finds a song in your video that belongs to someone, generally, your video will remain online. But all the profit made with the advertising will go straight to the owner of the music, and you won't do a single penny. For this to happen, the music must have been registered to YouTube. And in the case of Epidemic Sound, the way it works is that all their music library is registered with YouTube. But with Epidemic Sound, when you pay for your subscription, they will whitelist your YouTube channel. This is a very great principle because of all the time that I've been with them, I never ever had a single problem with copyright claims. My video with their music had always bring me money and never had a single problem, except recently one of the video I posted long ago got a copyright claim, but I emailed them and the problem was solved under 24 hours. The way the license work is simple. Everything you upload on any online platform while your subscription is active can remain online and bring you money forever. For example, all the videos I put online while I was with them are still online today, and I keep doing money out of it even if I'm not paying a single penny to Epidemic Sound since almost 2 years. However, if I want to upload a new video with the music I already use in a previous video, well, I will have to pay 1 month again to put that video online. For example, if just right now I want to play an extract of a video I made long ago with their music that I paid to put online, but I want to upload that video today, and even if it's just 10 seconds with their music, well, technically, I need to pay them $15 to play that extract in this video, because actually I'm not paying them, and I will upload a video today with their music. Another downside with this license is that the only thing you can do is to upload your video with their music on online platforms such as YouTube. In other words, you can't sell your video with their music to a customer. If you want to do that, you will have to switch from the personal license to the commercial license, which is, in my opinion, too expensive for what it is. As of the recording date of this video, it's $49 a month or $299 a year. Well, I said it's too expensive. Actually, for what I do, it's too expensive, but maybe for what you do, that's fine. But to give you an example of what could happen if you don't have the right license, recently I had a government agencies that emailed me because they want to purchase right from my video to redistribute it to their employee privately inside their own network. Fortunately, the music from that video was not from Epidemic Sound. And because of that, I had a license that gave me all the rights to do what I want with that music. If I had used the music from Epidemic Sound, I would have to give extra money to Epidemic Sound to sell my video to my client. The other negative side is that you need a license for each of your YouTube channel. In my case, while I was an Epidemic Sound customer, I had 3 channels, and I was making about $20 a month out of YouTube. So it was frustrating for me to pay for a service to use music on my video, but only be able to use it on one of my channels. About the music quality, there is very good content, but in my opinion, you still have to look a lot to find what you need. The sound quality is good, but it's not exceptional either. What I mean by that is that you will find the perfect music that will match your video, that's for sure. But you won't find any music that you will want to add to your playlist and listen daily, or at least very few. Let's say that in terms of music quality, it will vary from 3 out of 10 to 7 out of 10. But in summary, Epidemic Sound is a great music service to start making video online, because at $15 a month, it's really affordable. But you have to make sure that you will never want to sell your video to someone for external use, and keep in mind that your license covers only 1 account per platform. So this is it. That was the extract of the video that I showed you at the upper right corner at the very beginning. If you want to see what I thought about other services of that kind, you can always go to that famous link. Don't forget to see my link in the description. You can subscribe to the services that I've just presented to you by going to that link. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you need help to find this product online, please see my links in the description. And finally, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you're looking for a great review video. See ya!